Hello, I'm Iqbal and I would like to inform you about a boiling water reactor or BWR and pressurized water reactor or PWR. A boiling water reactor is a type of light water nuclear reactor used for the generation of electrical power. It is the second most common type of electricity generating nuclear reactor after the pressurized water reactor, which is also a type of light water nuclear reactor. Second is the similarities. Both PWRs and BWRs use light water or normal water H2O as the coolant and the neutron moderator. Furthermore, they both use enriched uranium as fuel with cylindrical vessel types. Third, the main difference between the PWR and BWR lies in the process of steam generation. A PWR generates steam indirectly by using two water circuits, a primary one and a secondary one. On the other hand, a BWR produces steam directly using a single water circuit. That's all. Thank you.